All right, let's see what you got on the problem of the day. The question was, how much of the yard is grass? Liam's dad built a deck in the backyard. The rest of the yard is planted with grass. A diagram of the backyard is shown. The length is 15 meters and the width is 10 meters. Each square represents 1 square meter. All right, so we are finding area. Good job. Okay, what is the formula for area? If you don't remember, then you're going to look at your star reference sheet. We have the formula right there. Area is length times width. Okay, so we need to figure out the area of the entire backyard. We also need to figure out the area of the wooden deck. How are we going to figure out how much is grass? Right, we are going to subtract the area of the wooden deck from the total area of the yard. Good job. All right, so think about it like this. We have the entire area of the backyard. Part of it is grass, part of it is the deck. We know that length times width will give us area, and they've already given us the information that we need to figure out the total backyard's area. Right? They told us the length was 15 and the width was 10 meters, right? So 15 times 10 meters. That's going to give us the entire backyard. What's 15 times 10? Right, 150 meters. So this is our total here, 150 meters. All right, now we need to figure out how big that deck is. So we're going to count those squares. We can count them all up, or we can multiply length times width. Okay, so I think that multiplication is faster than counting all the squares. So I'm going to count. Let's find the length of the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the wooden deck's length is 10 meters. And the width, notice I'm counting this square again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the width is 6 meters. So we're going to do 10 times 6. What does that give us? All right, so remember that 1 times 6 is 6, so 10 times 6 is 60. Our deck is 60 meters. There's an area of 60 meters for the deck. Okay, so the last step, how do we figure out this missing piece? We have the total. We have one piece. We're trying to figure out that missing piece. What do we need to do? Correct, we're going to subtract. We're going to take the total area of the backyard. We're going to take away the deck. And this is going to leave us with how much grass there is. Whoop. Let me scooch this over so you can see better. How about that? Is that better? Okay, so what is 150 minus 60? Can I take 6 out of 5? I cannot, so I'm borrowing. I'm going to take this 10, give it to the 5. 15 minus 6 is 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we have 90 meters of the backyard that's grass. Excellent. Let's go ahead and make sure we're answering in a complete sentence. 90 meters of the backyard is grass. Okay, excellent job, everyone.